Hi, thank you very much for watching this. I'm going to show you how to create this PowerView, right? Use PowerView. So we're going to create something like this. So, well, um, it seems like, yeah, we're going to have, let's just delete that for a moment. So create, we drag a city. So there's the cities. And then these are Olympic cities, and then we'll have these spots. There's number of spots in that, yeah, in that host. So we use count not blanks. So there are 250 spots in this event, right? And Beijing has 2,000 over spots in this. So and next is that we search a word using the Power Wheel design under the search visualizations. We click on the map, and you can take a look at this, right? This is the city. You know, the city is about Seoul. Seoul is 1.5. This is 2000s. Japan, Nagayo, Kao, and so on. So that's Power View. And next, we can pull the seasons to colors. And now we know that at a glance, right, that these are the majority of these Olympics hold on the summertime, not the winter time. And thanks for watching.